little information about how I did my LED lights on my 195cc Triumph. I used basically this lid over here, or this access, took it out, connect the switch right there. That way I have one switch. I also have some light there, so when this is basically closed at night, this shine nice and blue. Sorry for some shade, I'm over here at the storage. But yeah, on the lights, basically I put two on the back right here by their footrest. One on the right, one on the left. Also one on the here in the middle of the center console. Another one on the other side. Two on the front right here. Again, everything, sorry for the shade, but everything is nice and hidden. Two cables in the middle, then two screws. It was simple installation. Trying to make sure that no wires were hanging out, or let me show you how it looks at night. It gives a nice touch to the boat. It looks very good. Right now during the day it's kind of hard, but here's a video of how it looks at night. The good part of this is when I'm navigating, I always have this on, my Garmin, my radio, everything else here. So on and off switch, very simple.